How you doing? I'm Malik.
When I drive, it kind of makes like a, I don't know, it's somebody said a CBL. They was in front of AutoZone. I'm not finna trust them, so they probably be lying about
Okay, yeah.
what's really wrong with it. But on this side, it makes a sound like when the wheel's straight, it kind of makes a.
That's the noise you hear, right? Yeah. That's that steering column. Yeah, it's a little work. Whole steering column got to come down, but it ain't too bad.
For my mom, every time I go somewhere, she knows I'm in the car going somewhere. So where you going? I hear the sound. Where you going?
You hear the sound?
I said, oh no.
She can hear it on the phone, huh? That's crazy. Airbag. So we gotta disconnect the battery. Airbag, 10 mils. I'm gonna leave that right there. Alright, we gotta get this cover off here. Alright, so we gotta turn the steering wheel. We're gonna get the screws out. Alright, so there's one right there. And you turn it up the other side and you get the other one. Pull that bottom off. The top. Now we gotta disconnect all of these connectors. So this little plastic piece here, this gotta come off too. Folks, you can use a Phillips head. Boom. Another one there. And that just dropped like that. That's a whole lot of wires. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Looks like it's 3 bolts holding it. Or is it 4? That's a 12 mil. Got that motherfucker. It's back there hiding. Make sure you get these here. Alright, now this thing should be able to come out. That's the motor right there. Gotta undo that. Alright, so we got 2 12mm bolts holding this one right here and one on the opposite side. Boom. Then we got a 10 mil up top up here. Right up there, holding that in. And now that motor could come on out. All those pieces, all these little pieces in here. That right there. That bushing, it's broke up. It's all broken up into pieces in here. So that right there is what makes the noise, that clicking that you hear. Alright, that's a side-by-side comparison. That old one on the left, the new one on the right. You can see all that green is gone. Alright, we got it in there. Go ahead and put it back together. Alright, now it's just reverse order. Alright, line these two front ones up. Alright. Throw them bolts in there. Ain't no more noise. I'll tell you that much. Yep. That's it right there. So it's you straight. Everything good. Ain't no more noise. That's the old one. Right. All that green supposed to be all thick up in there is gone. It was all like broken up inside the motor. Yeah. Good. Alright. Time for some brakes. I can tell. You want to know how? You see a brake level? The fluid level?
Yeah, I see it.
It's supposed to be at the max when you got thick pads. You damn near at the minimum, so your pad's low.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For oil change too.
Oil change. Yeah. Clean this battery. That corrosion.
Yeah, I saw that too.
Yeah.
See, it seems like when you get money in your pocket, costs start adding up.
Yep. Every time, boy. It don't make no sense. Life be lifing, boy. Alright, man. Start that thing up and see if you hear anything. You good?
Yeah.
Alright.
I have to get my baby girl.
Okay. You gonna be good. I already know it. Ain't no noise. Alright, you have a good day, okay?
Thank you.
You welcome.